Hey guys, how you doing today? MD95TSI. I want to do a mail call. This one is going to be for Ed. I'm making some dinner here, making some dirty rice. Ed, love my drones. He bought me this thing and sent it here to the house. The RXSR receiver for the FrSky transmitter, the Taranis QX7 I have. Ed, you're awesome, brother. Love my drones. I love you. You're awesome. I put it in today and I got the motor started with it, so that's a big accomplishment. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This here, guys, is anonymous. Some people do things and they just don't want to be recognized for it. And that's this situation right here. This is a SQ12 because you remember when I had my accident, they asked me what was I doing or using, so I told them that I was just using the DVR footage, and they said, well, now you have one of these coming to you. So check this out. We're going to go and unbox this right here real quick because I thought it was pretty cool. It's in a DVR case, little waterproof like GoPro case, which I thought was really nice. It is the SQ12 camera. It comes with like a headband strap, a cord of course, multiple mounts here. I mean, all kind of different mounts and whatnot. But let's pop it out here real quick. I think we can do this one-handed. So you can see it is the SQ12. Just doesn't say QLEMA. But I tell you what, it's better than the QLEMA, the one that I had. So thank you so much. You know who you are, I know who you are, and you're awesome. So I'll get it in my drone. Thank you so much. I'm gonna mount it in there in a few minutes. So guys, there's MD95TSI's mail call. Thank you guys. Ed, love my drones. And Mr. Random. Laugh out loud. See you guys.